Hi everybody, we are back and we are talking about linear versus exponential. So we're going to compare these two functions. Linear functions you studied last semester, exponential functions we're studying right now. And I would like for you guys to pause the video, get a piece of paper and a pencil so you can take some notes on this. When we compare these two functions, linear functions, we notice they make a line. And that's because their linear growth is the same each time. So every time we go over one, we go up the same amount, over one, up the same amount, over one, up the same amount. What makes exponential functions different is you go up a different amount each time depending on where you are in the graph. So exponential growth is really slow at first. You barely even notice it. And then all of a sudden it starts to climb and then, whoa, it's going up super fast. So that's what gives it this shape. It kind of has like a tail and then a fast growth. Now, linear growth tables, like if we were to think about a line in a table, we notice here we're going down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be the same. But as we look at this, we might notice, oh, every time I go down 1, I'm adding 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So what could we predict? What do you think? What pattern do you notice? What will we get for our input of 5 and our input of 6 if we follow pattern plus 2, plus 2? Hopefully you said 15 and 17. And if you're not sure, this is the part you're taking notes on. Okay, now when we look at exponential, oh, and I forgot to mention, see that this right here, let me see, this right here, woo, that's m is 2. That means that the slope is 2, that our plus, we keep going up, 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 up. We're going up by adding 2. M is 2. Okay, now if we look here, an exponential growth table, it's a little bit different. We still have that going down by 1, going down by 1, going down by 1. That's nice. But how does this change? And now this example, I hopefully is like very, very familiar to you, because you notice you're multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2 as we go down. So we know that our next 2 are also going to be multiplying by 2. So what will we have here? If 5 is our input, what will our output be? And hopefully you said 32 and 64. Okay. And now this is the really important part here. This is b equals 2. Notice we're not saying m, we're saying b. B is the growth factor, or sometimes we call it the common ratio. So it can either be growth factor or common ratio. We're going to use the letter b to represent it. And in this case, b is 2 because that's what we're multiplying by. So b is 2. Now we're going to do some examples, or you're going to do some examples on your own. So I'm going to stop this video and we're going to start our next video by doing some example problems. It takes me a second to stop the video.